Goal setting is a powerful practice that can transform your financial life. Watch how setting goals makes it possible to have everything you want in life. Welcome to Lifestyle Architect, where you learn to build the life you want. Think long-term. The average person usually has a max of 1 year in mind. Millionaires often set long-term goals that extend beyond immediate gratification. They envision their financial future in terms of years or even decades. This makes it possible for them to act now for what they want in the far future. It is never too early to work towards what you want in 20 years. Your short-term goals should ultimately have your long-term goals in mind. Make goals specific and measurable. Successful goal setting requires specificity and measurability. Instead of setting a vague goal like, I want to be wealthy, millionaires create goals like, I will save 1 million for retirement by the age of 50. Specific and measurable goals provide clarity and a clear path for achievement. It also makes it possible to work towards because now you know exactly what to work towards. For the example goal, this person now can have a short-term goal of investing $200 every month, which will generate compounding interest and turn into $1 million. Break down goals into smaller milestones. Achieving a grand goal can feel overwhelming and can lead to procrastination because you don't know where to begin. But millionaires excel at breaking down their objectives into smaller, manageable milestones. This approach helps track progress and maintain motivation. By achieving these smaller milestones, they gain a sense of accomplishment that propels them closer to their ultimate goals. If you still feel overwhelmed, then you didn't break your goal down small enough. Subscribing to this channel is also very important for goal setting. Maintain a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. Millionaires understand that setbacks are opportunities to learn and grow. They embrace challenges, adapt to changing circumstances, and persistently pursue their goals. You don't have to be the best right away. It will take time to get good at what you want. The important thing is you get up and work every day towards your goal. 1% better is always better than 0%. Align goals with values. It will be tremendously hard to work on goals that don't watch you as a person. If you have a goal that is really important to you, then you may need to go on a self-improvement journey to align yourself with your goal. Example, if you think wealthy people are all bad, then it will be hard for you to become wealthy. Wealthy individuals align their financial goals with their personal values. They set objectives that are meaningful to them and support the kind of life they want to lead. By connecting their goals with their values, they find purpose and motivation in their financial pursuits. Regularly review and adjust goals. A key habit of millionaires is the regular review and adjustment of their goals. Life is dynamic and circumstances change. Reviewing and adapting goals ensures they remain relevant and achievable. If a goal becomes unrealistic, they make necessary modifications to stay on track. This is a good time to talk about how fast technology changes. Sometimes what you thought was impossible will become possible tomorrow. Seek accountability. Accountability plays a vital role in achieving financial goals. Millionaires often share their objectives with trusted friends, mentors, or financial advisors who can provide support and hold them accountable. This external motivation helps them stay focused and committed. Beware of who you tell, as jealous people will try to tear you down. You need people who are also striving for the best and setting goals. Goal setting, like a millionaire, isn't reserved for a select few. These principles and strategies can be applied by anyone looking to enhance their financial life. By thinking long-term, making goals specific and measurable, breaking them into manageable milestones, maintaining a growth mindset, aligning goals with values, regularly reviewing and adjusting objectives, seeking accountability, investing in education, and embracing calculated risks, you can set yourself on the path to financial success. Remember that financial goals are not just dreams, they are roadmaps to the life you desire. Thanks for watching.